All right, so what you're gonna do is first things first is with this bad boy, you're gonna make sure that you lock it back. So it's in, the slide lock is in its back position. Okay, so just lock it just in place, just like this. So here's your takedown lever right here. So you do wanna make sure that you don't get your fingers pinched in your ejection port because that's gonna suck and it's gonna hurt. So be careful of that. But what you are going to do is you're going to take your takedown lever and you're gonna put the back end and you're gonna loop it around towards your trigger guard, okay? Now it's gonna be a little difficult at first, but you'll get the hang of it. You just press it down towards that trigger guard, okay? Make sure you don't touch that trigger. You don't need to pull the trigger for the slide to actually come apart. So that's all you would have to do on this. Now what you're gonna do is just drop your slide. Now you're gonna do this carefully, just like this. Now from here, you just rack that slide right off. It's pretty simple, okay? So for